Hey folks, welcome back. All right, let's begin. Let it begin. So I'm going to work on trying to get the tailstock off of here. Got a brass hammer, lead hammer, and like I said, some of the stuff is really heavily rusted and pitted. The ways actually don't look too bad. I mean, they're rusted, but they're not pitted that I can see, at least not terribly so. I guess when I get this off, oh, look at that. It's moving. I don't know if I'm doing any good or not. I don't want to break anything, but by the flip side. And I'm just literally letting the hammer do the work. I'm not putting much on there. I wonder if that should have that even. So let's go switch to the lead hammer on this. Yeah, that's on there pretty good. You know, I'm tempted to spray some diesel fuel on this to let it sit and break up that rust a little bit. Not the wipers on this either. I don't know if that actually did anything or not. It doesn't look like it did. Alright, what I'm going to do is go find a small pry bar and I'll get up in there and see if I can jank this thing loose a little bit. Back in a moment. Again, just trying to loosen this up and trying not to damage anything further than what it already is. Let me get a light and just grind down in there. In there. Alright, so I'm just trying to try a different light. Where did my hammer go? Is there any movement on that linkage? See, that should lock in. Yeah, there's some movement, it looks like. At least there's some debris falling off. Look in there. So it looks like what that does is it's a fulcrum that, so yeah, when this comes up, then it pulls that down is what I think happens. Alright, well, let me get some other stuff going on here. Give me just a moment. See if I can figure this out. Alright. Well. That's unfortunate. Got her moving. Got our first piece off. It's already capitally though. Alright, so we got a little bit of flex going on there. I was trying really hard not to break that scraper off, but you know, it just is what it is. I suspect we're going to have a lot of that. Yeah, I suspect we're probably going to we're going to drill out more bolts than we pull. It is what it is. All right, let's, now that we've got that broke loose, let's see if we can't persuade, and I'm trying to do this without breaking anything, or at least as little as possible. Alright, so we got the machine up on blocks now instead of on the pallet jack. So maybe we can get a little more oomph on it now. Maybe not. On the screen. Maybe I had it backwards. I don't know. Maybe that then is released. But I don't think so, but I could be wrong. NWE owners right over out there. Oh my God, you're going the wrong way. I think I had it backwards. I think I did. I really think I had it backwards. Yes, I have 3 of these.
It's moving. It's moving a lot.
There we go. Success! How do you spell success? Big frickin' hammer, BFH. Yeah, I had it, I had this backwards in my mind. But yeah, that. So we were trying to move it while it was locked in. Good news is it was locked in nicely. Bad news is it was locked in nicely. Again, I'm trying not to break anything else. I'm not to break anything that I don't have to. Yeah, folks, we've been dinking around with this thing for over an hour. Most of it off camera, trying to gain a little bit of traction. That's kind of... I've broken 4 4x4s. Pounding on this thing. Let me knock this thing all the way off. I'm getting tired of swinging this 4-pound sledgehammer. I can tell you that. Still moving?
Yeah.
Get about halfway point. Almost. Good Lord. Unbelievable. What's that song? Unbelievable. Cindy doesn't like it when I ad-lib songs. Wow. That puppy is on there still. Let me go get a longer piece of 2x4 or something to see if I can't get that last little bit. That is on there. All right, packing them on. All right, folks, we're getting there. It's just being really tough. I just have a piece of 2x4 and I'll do it. What's that?
Looks like it's half.
Big enough for that hammer. Alright, just come here and hold on to that so I don't put it all on the top. They're all together. We're almost at the tipping point. All right, hold it one more time. We got it! Roll! Holy cow! I mean, it's got a healthy coat of rust on it, but I think it's salvageable. Whew. I didn't think I was going to get that thing off here today. Get that silly thing. Alright folks, we'll call that a win. This will all be one video, the actual intro to it and getting the tailstock off. I'm going to focus on the compound slide next, or maybe the taper attachment. Taper attachment looks like it might be low-hanging fruit, I'm not sure. But we got one thing off. I'm going to get it set in some Evapor Rust, let it sit overnight, drag it back out, and see if I can disassemble this further. As always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.